Hello everyone, I'm Jake Klein back for another review. Another cereal review. Cinnamon Pebbles. Now I have not tried this. Basically this is from Post. I don't own the rights to the Flintstones though, so Warner Brothers does, so technically Post owns the cereals that has the Flintstones characters on them. So, in a way, Post owns the Flintstones, so does Warner Brothers at the same time. If you're wondering how, Post started carrying the rights to Pebbles cereals, like Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles, I think starting in the 60s, when the Flintstones came out. If you look on Tubi or Wikipedia, by the way, Wikipedia is the way to go, so technically you should not disgrace or dismiss Wikipedia. You'll see that there's 5 seasons total of the Flintstones. Might be more, but I'm not sure if I'm correct on that 5 seasons. Am I correct on that 5 seasons total, though, on the Flintstones? Robert? Am I correct on the number of seasons of the Flintstones?
Six seasons.
Okay, I was wrong then. At least I asked staff. 6 seasons then. Total. But there is a fun panel on the back. Now, I do have unsweetened almond milk. I'm not a fan of unsweetened, so bear with me in the review. Hopefully it'll work for my cereal, because it says sweetened rice cereal with cinnamon. And I forgot about a spoon. You guys already know the nutritional facts, so I don't have to really go over, but just in case, I can. Sorry everyone, forgot about a spoon. But nutritional facts is 140 calories, 1 cup, though on the serving size. Or you could use a bowl. Total fat is 1.5 grams. No saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol. 220 milligrams of sodium, 31 grams of total carbs, 1 gram of less than 1 gram of dietary fibers, 12 grams of sugars, 12 grams added sugars, 1 gram of protein, 2 micrograms of vitamin D, no calcium, 1 milligram of iron, 20 milligrams of potassium, vitamin A you get, CMN you get, riboflavin you get, niacin you get your B vitamins as well, folate 200 micrograms, that's your 120 micrograms of folic acid to be included. DFE though. You get your zinc, The B vitamins, though, I'm talking about is vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 you get. It doesn't say what percent. It just says the number percentage, not micrograms or milligrams. But let's go ahead and pour the cereal. Whoa, some came out of the box onto the table. That's what I get for pouring, guys. Kids, if you're watching this cereal review, don't try it at home on this review. That fun back panel would be good for kids, though, however. I mean, if you feel like a kid, though, however, but I'm a kid at heart. Everyone should be a kid at heart, in my opinion. I was born in '86, however, that's why. There's only a cinnamon color. One color, to be exact. You can see it here. I'm gonna try one and see how good it is, plain. Texture-wise, it's good. But what about the unsweetened? I gotta hold up, I gotta shake it. It says shake well. I don't want too much almond milk. Now let's try it, since I poured the milk. Texture-wise, that is good so far. Could be good for kids too, however. And I am liking this too. I'll just eat the rest off cam, because I got a bit of a rating because I'm liking it. But it's not a wow me cereal at the moment, though, in my opinion. It does not beat out the Ghost Cinnamon Toast Crunch, though, however. So it's not better than that. But am I going to be rating this? I'm going to be rating it. It's still a good cereal, but texture-wise, when it's poured over milk, that cinnamon flavor could go away at times. I'm gonna give it a rating of 7.93 out of 10. My opinion, honest review here, and you can't dismiss my review here, guys. That's Ghost Cinnamon Toast Crunch did not do away with that cinnamon taste when milk was poured over it. So technically, again, this does not beat out Ghost Cinnamon Toast Crunch. As mentioned. Well, tomorrow's review, I will be reviewing the Black Rifle energy drink, which is a grape flavor. So, for now, MJ Klein's out. Peace out. See you in the next video. Later, everyone.